Let's start with arsenic. The physical appearance of arsenic is they are very slim, they have marked refined bony features and they have long fingers. Arsenic has been referred as anal retentive type by Dr. Philip Bailey. He has given example of a child who is saying no to his parents and is refusing to cooperate with them by retaining his stools defiantly. The adult anal retentive type is always saying no and is resisting and keeping his anger to himself. Fastidiousness is very well marked in arsenic. It is one of the characteristic mind symptoms seen in arsenic. By fastidiousness, Dr. Philip Bailey has given example of his aunt who, when we used to come to his home, she used to check his fingernails rather than asking him how is he. She used to go to mental pieces and check for dust. She used to correct his pronunciation, grammar. She used to do uninvitedly manicure of his mother. Fastidiousness of arsenic can be compared to nux vomica, but in nux vomica it is more of efficient work rather than orderliness which is seen in arsenic. Other two remedies which come under fastidiousness rubric are natramur and causticum. Dr. Herring has referred arsenics as gold-headed can patient, by which he has given example of a lady who is sick and is lying on a bed and she is feeling restless and she is under stress because the frame which is hanging on the wall is not in a proper place. So this is how the fastidiousness in arsenic lies. Physical insecurity is very well marked in arsenic. Insecurity in arsenic is more on physical plane than that of natramur and pulsatilla, which is on emotional plane. Insecurity of arsenic can be seen in financial status, where there are two rubrics which cover their insecurity on financial status. One is parsimonious, which is unwillingness to spend money, and avarice, which is desire for money. Insecurity can be understood with the help of hypochondriasis, which is abnormal anxiety about health. So arsenics keep cupboard full of supplements and purgatives. He has given example of a lady who is constipated and she is more conscious about her bowel habits. So she is taking purgatives, which is leading to loose motions and subsequently causing potassium deficiency. So here arsenic can work. Arsenic even keep spare objects so that they can use them in future, such as pins, scrapes, etc. Fear is also very well marked in arsenic. They have fear of poverty, they have fear of cancer, they have fear of being alone, fear of dark. Even if arsenics have mild cold and cough, they expect that doctor should say that it is a major illness. And if doctor doesn't say that, they become very irritable and they keep on switching the doctors. They expect that doctor should detect the major illness. Suspiciousness is very well marked in arsenic. They have suspicion of being poisoned. Arsenics are so suspicious that they even check degrees and qualifications of doctors before consulting them. Dr. Philip Bailey has given example of a father who is suspicious about a man his daughter loves. He is suspicious whether that man is serious about his daughter. He is suspicious about his financial status. So suspicion is so marked in arsenic. Arsenic is one of the anxious remedies. Arsenics have irrational fear of death, of illness, of malignancy. Even if there is a spot on their arm, they feel that it is malignant. Arsenic are very self-confident, but due to continuous stress, they become anxious. Restlessness is also very well marked. Dr. Philip Bailey has given an example of a patient coming to a doctor. So he has told, whenever a patient comes, how can we detect or how can we find that this person has arsenic? So these persons are pacing up and down, they are wringing their hands, they are becoming very restless. They want a surety from the doctor that everything is alright. So they keep on asking, doctor, is everything alright? Will I be cured? But doctor's advice doesn't reassure them. Whereas phosphorus, they get easily reassured by a doctor.
Down to earth. Under this heading, Dr. Philip Bailey has explained how arsenic have sharp intellect with good practical skills. Arsenic are also very conscientious, that is, sense of job responsibility. Natrum, kali, and silica are also very conscientious, but it is more marked in arsenic. Arsenic also appreciate fine music, fine cuisine, and art. Aristocrat. Aristocrat is a person belonging to high social class. Arsenic are very concerned about their status in the society, and if by any chance they lose their financial status, they get brooding over it. Philip Bailey has given an example of a patient visiting him who recently lost his financial status, but he kept brooding over his past about the time when he was very rich in spite of telling the current situation. He also gave an example of another person with low financial income, but he exaggerated his status. Determination, anger, and selfishness. Dr. Philip Bailey has explained how determination is marked in arsenic, where he tells about one-pointedness. Whatever they want to pursue, they do it by hook or crook, and if someone tries to interfere it, they become angry and irritable. Further, he tells that this one-pointedness may become inflexible and selfish. Dr. Philip Bailey gave an example of a lady who used to dominate him to eat chicken knowing that he is a vegetarian. She used to lecture him how he is imposing his idiosyncrasies over others. Later on, he came to find out that the lady was arsenic, as she had irrational fear of death and also was very fastidious. Arsenic also have anger. Some arsenic patients try to keep their anger to themselves while others erupt like a volcano. They become easily irritable when things are not kept in proper place or if there is wastage of things. Relating. Arsenics tend to become dependable and loyal partners. Arsenics are devoted to family. They have family values and principles. Arsenic as a parent tries to impose his values on the children, and the children turn out to be a rebel. Here we can consider Ishan Awasthi's father from Tare Zameen Par, where as an arsenic parent, he tries to impose his values on Ishan and keeps on blaming himself that where he went wrong and why Ishan is not doing good in his studies. Also, he is very fastidious and meticulous in his work. So here is a clip from Tare Zameen Par resembling arsenic.
कस के जूता कस के बेल्ट खौस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो
Arsenic. Arsenic is a horse remedy. Horse is a very nervous animal, constantly moving, restless, and can't take fright easily, which is a picture of a arsenic temperament. It is a deep acting remedy, so acts on every organ and tissue. The patient is exhausted by slightest exertion. There is great prostration with desire to move or to be moved. Arsenic is one of the trios of restlessness with marked nightly aggravation. It is also one of the trios of burning, but burning of arsenic is relieved by heat. Discharges of the mucous membrane are acrid, thin, scanty, with a cadaveric odor. The irritability of fibers gives characteristic irritable weakness, which may lead to trembling, convulsion. It is also involved in destructive processes like gangrene, carbuncles, cancer, or malignancy. It acts on nerves, producing neuralgia and multiple neuritis, which is relieved by heat. As arsenic acts on every organ and tissue, it is a polycris remedy, but mainly it acts on respiratory system, GIT, and skin. The important particulars of arsenic are headache, congestive, burning inside head as if it would burst, can't bear the sight or smell of food, unquenchable thirst but little at time, that is sip by sip, gastralgia from slightest food or drink, nausea, long lasting irritations, vomiting, retching after eating or drinking. Vomitus is bloody, black, or offensive. Burning in abdomen is ameliorated by milk. Ill effects of ice cream, watery fruits, ice water, or tobacco. Asthma is aggravated in midnight, taking cold, or in midsummer. Cough is aggravated in midnight, lying on back. Suffocation at night, can't lie down. Sleeps with hands over head. Aggravation, midnight, after 2 a.m., cold food and drinks, seashore, vegetables, watery fruits, bad meat, tobacco. Amelioration, hot application, warmth, motion, open air, company, sweating, from head elevated. Important rubrics of arsenic are delusion, sees thieves at night, delusion about criminals, delusion other conspire to murder him, delusion is about to receive injury, delusion that she is being watched, company, desire for, alone while aggravates, fear alone of being, carefulness, desire more than she needs, fastidious, rest cannot when things are not in proper place, anxiety for others, anguish driving from place to place, corrugated nails, thirst small quantities often, crack feet soles, agony can't rest in one place.